Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and sign in to the Lyst app on your phone. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. After the Play Store app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on the search bar, type in lyst and hit enter. After the Lyst app appears on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen you'll see the install option. Go ahead and click on it. Once the Lyst app is completely downloaded and installed on your device, open it up. After the Lyst app opens up on your phone, you'll see three options: continue with Google, get started, or sign in with email. To sign in to the Lyst app, you can either click on the continue with Google option or click on the sign in with email option. After you click on the sign in with email option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you will be automatically signed in to the Lyst app. I hope this video helped you to download and sign in to the Lyst app on your phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.